Okay, we're recording. Well, this is Boscobel Cemetery Hill up there. We're gonna go up it. It's gonna be a fun time. Fun time for everyone. Look at that. This is David. I'm Casey. We're going up Cemetery Hill. Hardest crap to get up. It's gonna be awesome. Look at this. No hands. No hands on the handlebars. Yup. Trying to get up it. That's our high school football field. Everybody who plays football, yes, they are beasts. David had some spleen problems, so he couldn't go play baseball this summer with me. It's pretty hard. Legs are getting but tired. Here's a guy mowing his lawn. Wow, that's a fail. See, everybody, respect them people. Respect them good. That's David. He's almost stopped. It's hard. Oh man, he made it to the top. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Cemetery Hill, that's why we call it Cemetery Hill. It's getting pretty hard. Oh boy. Oh boy. David's lucky he didn't have to carry the video camera. Wonder what they're doing there. Huh? Oh, that. Okay, now we're going down. Funnest part of the thing. Here we go. Me and David are gonna go side by side. Woo! My wind! Woo! Look at that! No hands, baby. No hands. Oh, he shot grass into my eyes. Woo! Still no hands, baby. Hands in the air. Hands in the air. Cemetery Hill, baby. There it is. Ah! Car! Ah! Car about ran us over. Better slow down there. About ran us over. That's a bad thing. You might get ran over down this hill. You need to be watching for cars. Yep. Yep. Going back to Dave's house, all you have to do is turn here off Cemetery Hill. Look at that, lives right by the high school. So, any serial killer want to come kill David? Yep, he lives right there. Yep. Too bad his dad will probably bring out his freaking 50 cal and shoot your ass. Oh my god, it's a cat. Freaking, oh my god. See, all you gotta do is, yeah, turn right here too. Right by there. Look at that. That's David's house right there. Ouch. Look at this. We're gonna pull right into his driveway here.